everyone, Allison here. So I did break down and I got a Diamond Arts Club because I have seen everyone rave about them. It finally come in the mail yesterday. Now this painting I seen Mindy from Mindy's Diamond Moments, and I fell in love with this picture, so, or the painting. So that is the one I got. The others haven't showed up yet, but so when they do, I'll do an unboxing of that. But yeah, so my very first one is here. Here we go. Okay, so, whoops. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. Oh, there you go. See the little snowflakes? So pretty. So, whoops. So now y'all get to see what the picture was before I got to... Okay, come on. My goodness, it doesn't want to open up. Okay, so I have heard tons and tons of good things about them. I watched one, but it was from like, I don't know, probably 6 months, maybe a year or so. No, 6 months ago. It wasn't a very good review, so I'm like, oh, what did I get myself into? So, let's see. But now you can see the snowflakes better, now that I've got the plastic off. But it goes all the way around. Can you see that? So cool. I do love the box. And if you can see, because it was shipped in a box, it is in great shape. So let's pull... It is the canvas. Ooh, that stuff is in there good. Okay, so this is a round kit. So it doesn't come with the tweezers, but that's okay. So you get your basic drill pin. And this is the first squishy I've gotten. I don't know if I can get it on there. There we go. Yeah, I like that. And then look how cute. Look how cute the wax is. It's little hearts. I do like that. That is just adorable. I won't use them because I've got a ton of others. But it comes with baggies. I don't kit mine up in baggies, but baggies are good for other things. It does come with a 3-placer, which I do like the 3-placer. So there you go. And then it comes with a clear. I don't think I've got a clear. I've got white and the green. I think this is my first clear. But so your basic toolkit. I like the bag that it comes in, and like it tells you even on the bag what it comes with. So that's really nice. I'm excited. Wait till you see the image and you'll know why. If you've watched Mindy's channel, you probably already know what painting this is. But here are some of the colors. I'll pull them out here in a minute. But let's open up the painting. I am so excited for this one, you guys. Like, oh, you have no idea. Oh, and I just ripped open that. Okay. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, they're not kidding. Oh my gosh. It is velvety. Oh man. I have not had a canvas that just, you could see, oh baby. You have got to feel this, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's unroll this the other direction. Like I said, this is rounds. So, oh, and I got the sticker. I'm so excited. Alright, so you get your basic instructions. And there's their website if you want to go. But so all your basic stuff. But here we go. Here we go. That's the one I got. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Is she just not the cutest? The mountains. I just love the mountains and the snow. Oh my gosh. So this does have some ABs in it. I think it's only 2 ABs. And there are how many colors in here? 35 colors. And it looks like only 2 ABs. Is there any 310? Oh, no, you kidding me? That's so awesome. There's actually, really? There's no 310 in here. Wow, I'm shocked. Alright, so 141 and 126. Those will be my ABs. Alright, so let's take a look at her. I mean, look at her. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And I believe this is, let's see. I'm trying to see. What size was this? A 60 by 42. So this will be the biggest painting I've done. I think the biggest, well, not that I've ever done, but that I've got right now. I think my biggest right now is a 50 by 50. But isn't she gorgeous? Look at her. Oh my. Okay, so the, what do you call it? The ABs are a 1 and a 2. So in her shirt and her eyes, and it looks like that's probably it, just in her shirt and her eyes. So her shirt and her eyes will have the ABs. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I can't do it right now because I am packing to move, so, oh my gosh. All right, let's flip this, and we will take a look at, I don't know what that is. We'll take a look at the drills. I'm so excited for the drills. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. I mean, purples and pinks. Okay, so if you don't like the sound, mute. You know, and I'm not going to get them folded back like this. Alright, wow, so pretty. Okay, we got a couple of them. Alright, so let's set this aside. Let's just start here. So we got really pretty pink and purple. Here, there we go. Just can turn this way. Another shade of purple. Some more purple. Yeah, see, lots and lots of pinks and purples. Purple. Looks like we've got almost like a dark navy blue. And some pink. Oh, intruder. Right there. Little stray. More shades of purple. Oh, this is going to be gorgeous. Ooh, I like that. It's like a purpley pink. That's really pretty. Really bright fuchsia pink. And then like a really kind of a peachy pink. And then here we've got some blues. Not very many blues, is there? Some more shades of blue. That looks like almost like another, oh, we got I don't know what the garbage, I don't know. Kind of a red-ish orange color. Really pretty pink. Kind of almost, it's purple, but it's got like a brown tint to it. Nice, pretty, kind of a Barbie pink. This is kind of a coral. Some light blues. Oh, that's all twisted up here. Purples. Oh, there's one of the ABs. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, just sparkle. And then another pink. This is really pretty. Another kind of a peachy color. Oh, there's the other AB. Oh, look at that. Just, oh, that's gorgeous. It just sparkles. Pink. Nice, pretty, kind of an off-white. It's not a full white. It's like an off-white. Another pink. Another pink. And a purple. Oh my gosh. I love, love, love these colors. These are gorgeous. And of course, I'm not going to be able to get these back in the way they were. But, we'll take one more look at the painting. Because, oh my gosh, she is so amazing. And I'll deal with that afterwards. Yeah, there's that stray. I don't know. But, alright. So here we go. Let's flip her one more time. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, cannot wait to get moved and be able to get everything set. Or settled, I should say. So I can start working on these again. But yeah, she's gorgeous. And oh my gosh. The feel of this. Oh man, I'm telling you, it is not like any canvas I have ever felt. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a giveaway going on. Check out that video. It's open worldwide, so go and check that out. And yeah, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. I am moving, so I'm not going to get videos up every day right now. So, but once I get settled, I'll go back to, you know, my regular videos of posting. So anyhow, I love y'all, and as always, smile, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.